Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had an amazing day and let's get straight into it. This is the makeup tutorial I'm going to be showing you today. It is a ballroom dancing makeup tutorial. I keep moving my head like this. But yeah, I'm just going to briefly show you how to do all of this and get this same look. I thought that this would be a great time to do it because the championships at Canberra are on this weekend, so I thought that if I upload it now, then that'll give you guys some time to think about how you're going to do your makeup and maybe use some of these tips and tricks. I also painted my nails super bright orange because everything is fluoro and there's bold lips, bold lashes, bold eyes, bold brows, lots of contouring, lots of highlight, lots of diamantes, lots of everything. I just put my hair into a bun. A good tip with doing your hair for ballroom competitions is to obviously have it as slicked as possible, use lots of hairspray, and to get like the little side bits down, you want to spray it and then get the hair dryer and hold it down as your hair drying, and that sets everything in place. Pop it into the ponytail and tease all of the bun, and then grab your hair net and wrap it around and then pin it in place. It took me literally 10 minutes to do this hairstyle. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. We're going to do our eyes first. Let's start priming our eyelids. We want our eyeshadow to stay all day. So I'm using the Napoleon Pettis Concealer Primer. Next, we are using our Pro Longwear Concealer for the eyes. This is the best concealer. I highly, highly, highly recommend you using this for ballroom dancing competitions because it does not come off. It lasts all day. It does not crease. Your eyeshadow will just stay in place all day. Okay, so after we've prepped and primed our eyelids, we're going to grab some sticky tape. Check that they're even. I have a brow tutorial as well, so I'm just going to quickly zip through this. I'll link the brow tutorial down below. So now we've got our brows on. Next you want to contour your eye. I'm using the Napoleon Color Disc in 66. It is just like a neutral tan color. Next I'm going to brighten up the contour a little bit with this color called Cherry Bomb. And I'm doing my eyes as if I was wearing like an orange ballroom dress. But you guys can change up the colors to suit the color of your dress. Next, take a black eyeliner pencil and a bullet brush. We're going to map out where the black goes on our eyes. You want to start from where your tape is. Take it all the way to your lash line. Slowly blend it up into the socket. So you can see I'm forming like a V shape. Blend it out. Matte black eyeshadow. Put the matte black eyeshadow straight over the top of where you just blended the pencil. That's going to give you a super, super dark black and make it last all day. Next, grab your small blending brush and blend out that black into the contoured orange colors that we did first. Just back and forth, back and forth. Hey Mum.
Hey darling, how you going?
Good, how are you? But I'm in the middle of filming a makeup tutorial, so I gotta go back to it. Bye. Oh, shh. Next, we're going to go in with our foundation now that the majority of our eyeshadow is on. I'm going to use the Smashbox Oil Free Primer. Make sure you use the primer to help keep everything on, even through the sweat and the blood and the tears. Okay, so the best foundation for use, in my opinion, is the Napoleon stick. I use a look 4. That's what I used on Jared as well. And you do need to scrape it off of the top of the stick. Sorry, mine is absolutely filthy. Apologies. Scrape it off, roll it onto your hand, and then go in with a foundation brush, mush it up. Because the stick is a waxed base foundation, it means that it's going to stay on through the sweat. It means it is also like waterproof. Don't forget your ears. I'll insert some photos as well at some stage in the video clip to show you guys what my makeup looks like on the floor and how important it is for everything to be dramatic. Eyes, lips, brows, and contouring. You do need to blend it right into the hairline. Hello? Hello. Yes. Good. Okay. Alright. Thanks. Bye. So popular today. So now we want to do eyeshadow underneath, exactly what we did on top. Going in with your concealer again that we used at the very, very beginning. We're going to go under our eye. Now we're going to set. Contouring with the contour palette by Napoleon Purtis. I'm going to use this funky little brush because it's perfect for contouring. Now for some blush. Highlight your cheekbones. We need to do eyeliner, lashes, and lips. This is the Napoleon Purtis Matte Eye Ink. We're going to create our flick first. And then we're going to come in. It is easiest if you look down into a mirror to do this. Do not use this stuff on the inside of your eye. The waste of the waste. Use like just a pencil. Blend out the black pencil at the bottom. And now, because everything is extremely over the top in the ballroom world, I'm going to stack all of these used lashes on top of each other to get them super out there. Make sure the glue's nice and tacky when you put your lashes on. You don't want classy glue, you want tacky glue. Oh my god, Rachel, shut up. I think 2 lashes is enough for today. Yeah, 2 lashes are enough. I think I'm going to do like an ombre lip, so I'm going to use a dark lip liner. I'm just going to show you. Put a tiny bit of foundation over your lips. I'm going to try something new. I'm going to get my white eyeshadow. Oh shit. My white eyeshadow. My white eyeshadow. My brown eyeshadow. And contour under your lip. That makes your lips appear fuller. You can thank me later. So with this diamond headpiece, get your eyelash glue and run it all along here and then let it sit up so it sets on the bench for like 4 to 5 minutes, and then you would just strategically place it however your little heart desires. You can even glue it like around the bun. I hope this makeup tutorial has helped some of you ballroom dancers with your makeup. I wish you all the best of luck this weekend in Canberra, and I will see you there. Bye guys. On. I'm just using like all of my old lashes. I think most of them are Red Cherry brand, and I'm just stacking them on top of each other. Real to help all of you. I've got 2 different types of earrings just to show you to really be yourself. And if you feel like wearing 2 different types of earrings, then just like go for it, babes. Like, believe in yourself. Be unique. We're going to grab some. I chucked on like 1 coat of Bondi Sands spray foam before. Spray foam? My mum used to say to me, Rachel, make sure you smile. I don't fucking care if it hurts. Smile. Love you, mum. And how to get it looking kind of flawless without looking drag queen. Oh, this feels so weird on my eyes. Is that bad that that's the thing I miss? No, shut up, Rachel. You have to smile to pick up the apple of your cheeks. I'm not just like, I'm so hot. So there we go, guys. We are all done. I hope that this makeup tutorial has helped some of you dancers out there. Please feel free to share this video and spread the love, really. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Catch ya. Bye.